When God is your shepherd, lack cannot define you. It can never be your portion. He leads, He provides, He protects, and He guides. He will do all these things for you. He will lead you in the paths of righteousness. He will provide for your every need. He will protect you every step of the way. He will guide you on where to go. He will be the lamp for your feet. And so, just trust. Trust Him with whatever it is. Trust. Trust. Psalm 23 and verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. The Lord is your shepherd. The Lord is your shepherd. And because He is, you lack nothing. You're not in want of anything. You know why? Because He's ready to come through for each and every one of your needs. Yes, He is your shepherd. He is my shepherd too. David spoke positive in his life. And speak positive to you. We speak faith. We are advocates of faith on this channel. I always say this. Speak faith, not unbelief. Not what the situation is saying. Sure enough, the situation is speaking a different language, but that does not define you. If you are in a financial lack, the economy does not define where your finances will come from. No. The Lord's provision is not determined by how the economy works or how the economy is working. He will come through for you. All He needs is trust. Trust Him with each and every detail of your life, the nitty-gritties of your life, and see Him come through for you. He loves you and He wants to help you. Speak faith, not unbelief. God bless you.